So today what we're going to be doing is working on my exhaust. If you saw the video that I just posted, there's some kind of ticking going on inside my motor. Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. I just put in a new camshaft, so I also put in new rockers, I put in new lifters, and now I've got this ticking going on, and I'm not really sure what it is. I'm really hoping it's just an exhaust leak and not the rockers or the push rods or something like that. I put in new lifters with the camshaft, so there could have been, there's so many things that it could have been. So I'm gonna test my exhaust, make sure the headers are seated properly to the head and that I'm not hearing a ticking that is actually just an exhaust leak. Hopefully that's all it is, because that's easy to fix. You just tighten a bolt. If it's something else, there's a little more troubleshooting involved, but we can figure it out. If you have seen the Bronco Garage, they put out a video, Michael and I actually put out a video on how to test your exhaust for exhaust leaks. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to make a little system that will go on the end of the tailpipe, the end of your tailpipe, and push compressed air through your tailpipe and up to the front of the vehicle. Now, the reason that you do this as opposed to just running your engine is because you're testing for leaks, and you wanna be able to feel the air. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray a little bit of water and dish soap and watch for bubbles. And when your engine's running, you don't wanna be touching your exhaust system. Like, it gets extremely hot, obviously. And so this is a great way to push compressed air up through the exhaust system so it won't get hot, and so that you can test for exhaust leaks this way. I found in the plumbing section at Home Depot, I'll find an Amazon link as well, so you can get this little rubber fitting that can fit on top of the exhaust pipe, and then you clamp it down with the clamp. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to drill a hole in the center of this for this guy, for this to go into. And the only reason I have one of these is just so that I'm not putting all of the compressed air into my exhaust. I don't need it at like 150 PSI. I just need a little bit to test for leaks. And then this piece will screw in there, and then it'll connect to my air compressor. All right, so I got it hooked up here, and so all you have to do, turn it on, start feeding air into the exhaust pipe, and this stays on pretty well. And then you check the system. So yeah, I definitely need to tighten this down, and then I had another one right here, and then I definitely have a leak down here. So see, so yeah, that's the gist of it. I'm gonna do the other side, but man, there's still bubbles coming out of this side, so obviously there's a big exhaust leak. I tightened everything down pretty well, but there's still more to be tightened. But I'm hoping that when I fire this back up, like, that will take care of majority of the ticking, so we'll see. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.